Welcome to the Truth Skincare series. I'm going to jump right into this video. A lot of you have asked about makeup. You love makeup, but you need to know, is this compromising my collagen and elastin? Is this toxic to me? Do I need to stop wearing makeup? Is it okay to wear makeup every day? A lot of really great questions. So hopefully you all would like, subscribe, and share. If you're new, my background is microbiology and biochemistry. Every single Wednesday we do the Truth Skincare series about brands, products, and ingredients. So the first thing, when we're sleeping in our makeup, we're compromising our elastin and collagen. And many dermatologists will tell you that you're not doing anything to repair the skin through the night process, and that's very key in keeping healthy skin. We want to make sure that we're using the necessary ingredients like collagen boosters, vitamin C's if you're going to use that, anything with peptides and ceramides to really help the skin to bounce back and repair itself through the night. But if you're wearing makeup, you're definitely compromising that. Remember, makeup almost sits like another layer on top of the skin. So if you're not getting that off from throughout wearing it through the day, that sweat, pollutants, and then makeup, just like silicone is one that blankets, right? It does not really absorb into the skin. It just sits there. That's not allowing your skin to repair itself. It's almost blocking the skin from doing what it needs to do in the reparative process through the night. The second thing that I wanted to say about toxicity, as with anything, we actually need to be detoxing the liver and the kidneys. And I've mentioned this in previous videos. Remember, a lot of these products, friends, not even makeup, hair care, skin care, we're using a lot of things. Even the air we breathe, right, has not just pure oxygen in it. In fact, if we had pure oxygen, we'd all die. So with all these different elements being ingested into the body, the skin being the largest permeable membrane that we have, detoxing is going to be key. Yes, it has the ability, the kidneys and the liver, to detox, but if they didn't have to deal with such a burden all the time, it would be best if we could help them out a little bit and detox. Now, when it comes to makeup brushes, we want to make sure that we're cleaning our makeup brushes after every single use, whether we're using an antimicrobial cleanser or even spraying with isopropyl alcohol. We have to clean these brushes. E. coli, Pseudomonas, bacteria loves to live in our brushes. My next tip is to avoid doing your makeup in the bathroom and storing your makeup in the bathroom, whether it is out in the open or underneath your cabinets. Again, bacteria is running amok in bathrooms, and they also love warm, dark, moist areas. And because we're showering and the bathroom tends to get very moist, it really does lend to a great environment for bacteria to replicate. And they replicate by binary fission every 20 minutes. So imagine what sort of microbes will be living in your brushes. We want to store our brushes in really cool areas that are away from the sun, because heat also with makeup working together can cause bacterial growth. So when you're purchasing your compacts, eyeshadows, and everything from Sephora or wherever you're buying your makeup, don't assume that those things are sanitized. Go ahead, scrape off that top layer with, or lightly dust it with a Kleenex, and then spray it with 70% isopropyl alcohol. That way you're making sure that you've sanitized your makeup. The next tip, especially if you are a makeup artist, we want to throw those makeup brushes away after 2 to 3 months. If we start to see our makeup brushes shedding or becoming discolored, we need to toss those. Is to make sure that we're going in with some sort of makeup remover. Makeup removers help to break down your sunscreen, makeup oils, sweat, pollutants, but not all makeup removers are made the same. Some can actually strip the skin and actually compromise your skin's barrier. Now, there's two really great ones that I'm going to recommend in this video. One is from Kogendo. This is the Oriental Plants Moist Cleansing Cream. What I love about this is it comes with Kogendo's double fermentation specific process, which is called the Shin Ho Jun Hako Concentrate. So it's going to help your skin to be able to receive and retain moisture. This is enriched with jojoba, squalene, shea butter. It also has a ton of antioxidants in here to help your skin to feel toned and visibly look firmer. And my other recommendation is the Chantecaille Rose de May Cleansing Balm. This is antioxidant rich. It has rosehip oil, it has tamanu oils that really help to hydrate and soothe the skin. You'll also find that there's a plant-based phytic acid in here that gently exfoliates the skin, and hyaluronic acid to help with boosting your moisture. Ciao for now.